Alright, so let's talk about products and services. Meron po tayong dalawang product. And yung tangible products natin, which is our health and wellness products, we have the sodium ascorbate, the vitamin C, and the vitamin D and neo barley. Mamaya i-explain po natin yan at bibigyan kayo ng kaunting idea. And also, as I've mentioned, our online travel platform. So yan po yung dalawang ipapakita ko, but please, hindi ko po masyadong i-detail yan kasi after this presentation, kasi ito po ay preview lang. So may idea lang na ibibigay sa inyo, pero kung gusto nyo malaman yung full details and benefits, each products and services, a-attend lang po kayo ng separate because we have a in-house doctor na nagtuturo po at nagbibigay ng knowledge and information about sa technicalities ng ating mga produkto and benefits. And also, we have a separate presentation ng training naman and presentation doon sa kung paano ginagawa po yung ating express travel solution. So, idea lang, dadaanan natin para lang meron kayong knowledge, ano meron si Prospera at paano ho tayo kikita dito. So let's start with our products. But before that, since na yung product po natin is about health and wellness products, papakita lang natin yung gaano kahalaga at ka-importance at ano ang related nung ating produkto at gaano to kahalaga, no, na bakit ito yung mga produktong napili natin. So now itong nakikita nyo po ito is from PSA, or according to the Philippine Statistics Authority. These are the leading causes death in the Philippines. No, ano po yun? Ito po yung mga tinatawag na heart disease, stroke, cancer, diabetes, and chronic respiratory illnesses. Ang tawag po dito sa mga sakit na to is non-communicable diseases. Ibig sabihin, hindi ito yung mga namamana or hindi ito nakakahawa. So ito ay lifestyle-related factors kung bakit tayo nagkasakit. So pakita lang natin yan, ano ba yung mga causes na yan? So what are the common factors? Bakit po nagkasakit daw po ang mga tao? So number one, yung air and water pollution. Alam na po natin yan. No? Lahat ng mga usok, pag naglabas ka, hindi na natin pwedeng iwasan yan. Number two, toxins from the food we eat. So hindi na ganun kasi yung mga kinakain natin dahil nga halos lahat mga instant. Hindi na natural process yung kinakain. Also toxins from products we use. Naku, napakarami yan. Mula sa sabon, lotion, pabango, and napakarami, no? And also kung may mga bisyo like alcohol, cigarettes, so that's another reason. And also yung mga gamot, no, yung medication na may ginagamot ka pero may naaapektuhan naman na part ng ating ng katawan. So yan po yung reality na nangyayari. And also yung stress. Again, isa rin to sa hindi natin may iwasan. Kahit healthy ka, curious ka, or conscious ka sa health, sa kinakain mo, nagtumutulog ka ng maayos, pero once na na-stress ka, that's another reason na naging part bakit ang tao po nagkakasakit, no? So what else? So, i-summarize natin kung bakit nagkakasakit ng tao. So, number one is yung lifestyle. Anong klaseng lifestyle po yun? Yung dietary, physical activity, yung tulog, yung bisyo, yung nature ng work. Saan ka nagtatrabaho? Baka exposed ka sa mga chemical. Ilang oras ka nagtatrabaho? Gaano kahirap? Puyat ka ba? Umaga? So, ayun po. Hygiene and self-care, mga digital ngayon. Dahil lahat, nasa internet world, na tayo, era. So, lahat may cellphone na. So, yung digital problem, isa po yan. And other factors, yung mga stress and mental environment, genetics, so yung mga nakakahawa na namana natin, no? And also, ang hindi natin maiwasan yung pagtanda. Kahit sobra kang healthy, whether we like it or not, tatanda ka. At kapag ka ikaw ay tumatanda ng hindi healthy, mas ramdam mo yung pagtanda. So, ano ngayon yung purpose? Kasi pinakita natin lahat yun, hindi naman natin may iwasan yun. So, the main reason na bakit po natin pinapakita to, na because today, health is no longer just about treatment. It is about prevention and protection. Yan na lang po ang pinaka-best na pwede nating magawa. Kasi hindi na inap ang tulog, hindi maiwasan ng puyat, hindi maiwasan ng stress. So what we really need is to protect our immune system. We need a prevention program to protect yung ating health. And to do that, ito po yung number one na dapat nating malaman, is yung about sa immune system. So what is immune system? Ito po yung natural doctor ng ating katawan, di ba? Na naririnig natin na dinidiscuss na sa lahat ng mga online platform or sinasabi ng mga doktor. Kapag malakas ang immune system mo, kumbaga ito yung defensive or natural defense ng ating sistema. Kaya kumbaga pag malakas ang sistema mo, yung immune system mo, hindi ka basta-basta na dadapuan or kinakapitan ng sakit. So let's talk about the immune system, mga short ideas or information. The immune system is made of different cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend the body. But ito po yung napaka-importanting bagay na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. One of the very important cells sa loob ng ating immune system, yung pong tinatawag na T cells. Ito yung T cells na active cells, no? Isang klase ng white blood cells na nag-a-identify, no, at nagdi-destroy ng mga infected and abnormal cells to keep the body safe. No, para magkaroon pa tayo ng medyo additional information. In short, yung immune system natin or yung T cells natin, which is isang klase ng white blood cells. Ito yung parang soldier, sundalo, no, na nagdidepensa. Paano ho nangyayari yon? Ito po nakaka-amaze, no, na ginawa ng Diyos na doon sa loob ng sistema natin. Kasi maalala nyo, even noon wala namang mga doktor, pero kumbaga ito nasa loob ng sistema na dapat lang nating malaman. Yung T cells na yan, ang number one na ginagawa na prinoprotektahan tayo with regards to viruses, bacteria, and abnormal cells. No, yan yung super na powerful na ginagawa na kapag activated ang immune system or yung T cells natin, anong ginagawa niya? No, binuboost yung immune system natin, no? Nire-recognize yung mga viruses and bacteria. And remember, no, yung nagkaroon tayo ng COVID, kaya sobra pong lumakas yung market po ng mga food supplement and vitamin C because kaya po nitong pataasin yung immune system, no? Kapag malakas yung immune system mo, kino-combat or tinatalo niya po yung mga flu, no? Yung mga trangkaso-trangkaso, and even yung COVID-19 that time, no? So ibig sabihin kaya maraming nag-survive dahil mataas ang immune system nila, and because of the T cells, no? And also yung mga pumapatay ng mga cancer cells. No, imagine, no, tina-target niya at dinidestroy yung mga tumors, kaya yung may mga namumuong bukol-bukol po. Nako, kapag ka mataas ang immune system, activated ang T cells daw po, kumbaga isa po yan sa tinutulong ng ating immune system. So piniprevent niya yung mga infections, no? Pinoproteksyon tayo sa mga bacteria. So, napakaganda pala nung namalaman natin na kapag mataas ang immune system natin, para tayong may sundalong lumalaban. Ngayon, ang question, kung ang immune system at T cells pala ay kailangan lumakas, ang tanong dito, paano natin ba ito pinalalakas at paano natin palalakasin para tayo maging ma-maintain na healthy, no, at protected, na hindi basta-basta nagkakasakit? That's the good question. So sabi nila, T cells work best when the body is well nourished and not under constant stress. No, now according to nutrition scientists, immunology researcher, pathology and biomedical science, and also from NIH, no, this is the National Institute of Health, and also Harvard School of Public Health and World Health Organization, ang sinasabi po nila, to keep the immune system strong and support the production of and activation of T cells, the body needs certain nutrients that come from the health foods and proper nutrition. So pagkain na mataas ang nutrition, no, at ano yung mga sources ng mga proper nutrition, ito po yun. So the important nutrients and sources are, number one, vitamin C, vitamin D, protein, zinc, and antioxidant. So kahit i-research nyo po yan po yung references na sila ang nagsasabi para ma-activate yung T cells at lumakas ang immune system. Dapat pala enough ang kinakain natin na mga food or mga nutrition. Kaya lang ang tanong, hindi naman talaga natin nagagawa, di ba? Enough ba yung kinakain mo para magkaroon ng vitamin C, vitamin D? Tamang protein na ba? May zinc ba tayong nakukuha? Enough ba yung antioxidant? No, dito po papasok yung ating mga magaganda at malupit na products, no? Kasi kung hindi yan natin nagagawa, may solusyon ho tayo diyan. Because introducing our health and powerful products na meron tayo ngayon na sobrang ang dami na pong testimony na hindi ko na po may explain, pero bigyan ko kayo ng idea lang ano-ano itong mga ito. So number one, we have the sodium ascorbate, and this is our true alkaline C vitamin C. Ano ang purpose and benefits nito? For the immune system support and antioxidant and general health maintenance. When we say general health maintenance, may sakit ka or wala, kailangan mo ito. No? So that's one. Number two, we have the Jewel D, and this is for sa mga supports for bone health, no? Immune function, no? Ito maganda dito kapag ka yung nag-take ka nito, lalo na sa mga maraming testimony dito ng mga masasakit yung mga buto-buto, ano, mga joints, mga kasukasuan, hindi makalakad, hindi makatayo, hirap maglakad, no? Hirap gumalaw. Naku, ang dami nating testimony diyan, no? So that's our Jewel D. Now, in terms of detoxification, kung ang concern mo naman medyo chubby ka, dahil pagka uminom ka ng sodium ascorbate ng True Alkaline C, ng vitamin D, syempre mas maganda na merong detoxification. At dito papasok yung ating Neo Barley, because this is about detoxification and digestive health. So it's about weight management and overall wellness. So yan po yung mga basic, no? Para magkaroon kayo ng maraming knowledge pa, umattend po kayo sa ating mga product presentation. And this is our Dr. Anthony So, This is our PFG expert medical doctor. Siya po ang nagtatakil sa sobrang napakaraming health benefits na kukulangin po yung oras natin. So what I've said, no, na binigyan lang natin ng ating idea kung ano po ang mga benefits nito. So para malaman natin yan, attend kayo ng presentation. So ngayon ang question, maganda pala yung vitamin C, maganda pala yung vitamin D and antioxidant. Ano yung pagkakaiba natin? Ito na po yun, yung highlight. No? So ang pagkakaiba natin, kasi maraming mabibili sa market, ito yung advantages. Number one, non-acidic vitamin C with approved therapeutic effect. Meaning to say, pagka may mga claim na product na nakakagaling daw, may mga testimony, pero pag may nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claim, walang proven and scientific research na magpo-prove na talagang yun ang dahilan kung bakit sila lumakas or gumaling. So with our product, which is True Alkaline C, meron siyang approved and therapeutic effect. No? Why? Because this is pharmaceutical grade. So pagka pharmaceutical grade and approved with therapeutic claim, in effect, even doctor pwede pong magreseta nito. Kasi po as far as I know, kapag ang mga produkto na nakalagay na no therapeutic claim, hindi po yan basta-basta pwedeng i-reseta ng mga doktor. So what else? Crystalline form. So itong crystalline form po, isa po sa pinakamataas na klase, no? And purest na powder in terms of vitamin C. No, yung content po per capsule, that's 562.54 milligram. No, so equivalent ng 100 kalamansi or 25 pieces of apple. So those are the advantages na pwede pa nating malaman ng mas marami pa sa mga training. Number two, also this is also a pharmaceutical grade, no? This is our Jewel D with vitamin C and zinc. So kung may mga karamdaman kayo sa mga buto-buto at kasukasuan nyo, pero gusto nyo na isahan na lang na may vitamin C na yan, so 3-in-1 na siya, at yan po yung mga other health benefits, so go for our Jewel D. So magkakaiba po ang purpose and benefits niya. And number three, ito naman yung Neo Barley with 17 minerals, 16 vitamins, 17 enzymes, 18 amino acids. So, sobra. Kaya kung tawagin ito, complete food. Ayan siya. So yan yung mga initial na information lang and knowledge po about sa kung gaano kaganda at kalupit yung ating mga produkto. Now, let's go to our next product, our ticketing travel platform. Now, marami pong excited dito sa negosyong ito. No, kasi hindi ho basta-basta magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng negosyo. So, sino po at ano po itong Express Travel Solution? So, ito po yung ating travel platform. So, Express Travel Solution is our brand name under Prospera X Global. So, powered by Prospera Global po yung ating platform. No, para hindi kayo malito. Our company is Prospera and si Express Travel Solution is our brand name ng travel platform. Alright, so let's talk about the travel business. According to the NAIA, closest 2025 with the highest passenger traffic on the record. No? Sa history po ng NAIA, nung 2025, lalo na after pandemic, there are about more than half of the population po ng Pilipinas ang nag-travel na dumaan sa NAIA. And that's 52.2 million total passengers. No? And sa international, 2.37 million. For domestic, 2.50 million. Napakalaki. Bakit natin ito pinapakita? To prove na sobrang huge yung opportunity pagka pumasok ka sa ganitong klase ng industry. And well, in fact, if you are going to know yung global travel and tourism industry, this is a $1 trillion industry yung market size po. Dito sa Pilipinas, yung ating tourism market size, that is 13 billion. Yung tourism revenue, that's more than 700 billion. Ganun po kalaki. Kaya kung nagta-travel ka, isa ka sa contributor nung market niyan. Isipin mo kung papasok ka sa ganung negosyo. So yon, bigyan natin ng idea, saan nagbo-book yung mga nagta-travel na to. Usually, kung hindi siya nag-direct booking sa mga airlines, dito sila dumadaan. Kay Trip.com, Booking.com, Agoda, Traveloka, Trivago, and other OTA. No? Ang OTA means Online Travel Agency. So, B2C OTA, meaning a business to customer. Kapag nag-book ka dito as client ka. So, ganun po yan. Now, ang in-offer po ng ating company, no, is a B2B platform. So, hindi ka bibigyan para as client. Magninegosyo ka na parang magkakaroon ka ng platform, same with Trip.com, Agoda, and Booking.com. Now, gaano ba kamahal para magkaroon ng ganitong negosyo? Para may idea po kayo. For your information, an estimated startup capital for an OTA business, where average, no, that's 1.5 million to 4 million. Ito po yung Philippine setup. But aside from the capitalization, kung gaano kalaki yan, ito pa yung mga madugo na process and requirements, business registration, travel agency accreditation, the GDS, physical office, capital cash ban. Maliban pa dun sa puhunan mo na mag-acquire ng platform, may mga cash ban pa. No? May mga ilang city na cash ban pa lang sa local government, 500,000 na. So ang hirap, no, para magkaroon ka ng ganyan. Kaya maraming nangangarap pero hindi natutuloy, na yun ang bibigyan natin ng solusyon ngayong gabi na ino-offer po natin. No? So now presenting and introducing our platform, which is Express Travel Solution, we provide a global connected B2B travel platform. When we say global, buong mundo. no? Delivering a real-time. So a real-time access to domestic and international air ticketing and hotel booking solution. Wow, no? So ano po yung advantages? Lower capital, no back guarantee, no cash ban, faster and easy to set up. Ang lupit po siya, no? So parang kumbaga wala ka nang iintindihin. So pag-usapan natin yung lawak po ng products natin. So we offer a domestic and international flights ticketing services featuring our top airline carriers sa Pilipinas, no? Like yung mga local major airlines, yung Cebu Pacific, Cebgo, AirAsia, Skyjet, Royal Air, and including yung mga international carriers, no? So international carriers lahat po halos, no? American Airlines, Cathay, Delta, Emirates, Etihad, Japan Airlines, Korean, and many, many more. No? And for the hotels, we have more than 400,000 hotels and 29,000 cities. Yung po, at ganun kalawak yung coverage ng produktong ibebenta ninyo. So let's talk about nung ano yung inclusion sa travel platform natin. For the air ticket, we are connected real-time for more than 100 international airlines and also 6 local airline partners. In short, halos lahat po ng airlines nasa atin po yung system. Connected real-time. No? For the hotel, as I've said, 4,000 hotels and 29,000 cities. O pag-usapan natin ngayon, yung features. O, mga basic lang po ito na itatackle to sa training once na umattend po kayo. No? Number one, it's a B2B co-branded personalized travel system. Meaning to say, pag sinabing co-branded, pwede nyo lagyan ng logo, business name, contact details. So lahat ng business information. So pag print ng itinerary ng ticket, nandoon yung business information nyo powered by Prospera or ng XTS. Now, what else? So for the flights in hotel, we are integrated via API suppliers. Ano po yung APIs? It's an application programming interface. No, from GDS or Global Distribution System, it's a real-time connected. Kapag nag-search ka, nakita mo kunyari PAL, pag nag-book ka, PAL ni system mismo ang in-access mo. So, yun po yung tinatawag na API or real-time connected po. So, what else? A ready-to-operate platform, no need to build your own website or system. It's a plug and play. So meaning, encode ka, bigyan ka ng username, password, simulan mo na yung negosyo mo. That's it. So initially, no legality requirements, no business permit requirements, but habang lumalaki ka at kung gusto mo magkaroon ng visible office, that's the time. So pero hindi initially nire-require. Since na online ka lang, pwede na po yun simulan yung negosyo. Controllable income markup modification, ikaw ang magdidictate magkano ang gusto mong kitain. So compare with others na kung ano yung sinabing income mo, yun na yun. Dito, ikaw maglalagay. Sumo 300, 500, 1,000, 1,500. So syempre, tinuturo natin ano yung mga average markup, depende yan kung domestic or international. So yun po yung mga mga features ng ating platform. Also, it's an automated system transaction report, itinerary and email sending, printable itinerary, and acknowledgement receipt. Alright, so yan yung mga kabuuan lang ng mga features ng ating travel platform, Express Travel Solution. Ito po yung itsura na kapag nagkaroon ka po kayo ng accounts. Yan po yung, yung po yung dashboard, yung personal dashboard na kayo mismo ang magna-navigate, magsi-search at magbubook ng inyong transaction. Alright, ano po yung opportunity? Dalawa yung opportunity dito sa XTS natin. Number one, yung the usual, pag nagtayo ka ng travel business, or ticketing business, nasa office ka, nasa bahay, nasaan ka man, because online siya, nagbenta ka ng ticket ng hotel, ng air ticket, so that's one. Depende na yan kung gaano ka kasipag at gaano ka kagaling magbenta. Number two, by selling a B2B travel platform. So dalawa, pwede kang magbenta ng ticket, pwede ka rin magbenta ng platform. Paano yun? Mamaya po natin i-explain. Now, let's talk about business. Ito yung package kung paano tayo magsisimula at ma-activate dito sa negosyo. Number one, we have the business package for only 15,000 pesos. And that package is X4 Plus under the Business Package Program. Ano ang inclusion nito at mga features na makukuha natin? Number one, it's a full business activation, higher earning potential, fast-track income growth, access to experience rewards. So this is the most recommended package. So another package that we have, kung ito'y walang-wala ka lang, kasi alam mo, 15,000 negosyo pinag-uusapan. Di ba? Napakalit po yun sa negosyo. Pero makita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung return and potential. Pero kung walang-wala ka, meron kaming other option package, which is the basic package. Although, this is for entry level, basic earning capacity, ideal for beginners, and anytime pwedeng i-upgrade. Pero kung meron ka rin naman at kaya, go for the business package. This is highly recommended to start the business. Why? O, ito po yan. Because yung inclusion ng package option natin ng 15,000, merong mga packages option yan. May A, which is sa A package natin ng 15,000 ng business package, merong dalawang kasamang travel account, no? Which is kung 15,000 each yan, lumalabas ang value ng package ng A, 30,000. So kung dito pa lang, sold ka na. So benta mo yung isa, may isa kang tira, kumita ka pa ng 15,000. Parang baga na free ka pa, di ba? So number 2 na option, yung business package natin, it's a combination with products na 5,000 worth of products and 1 XTS account. Ang value niyan 20K. Ngayon, kung gusto mo lang ng pure products, we have 3 options per package C. We have C1, C2, and C3. So magkakaiba ang value dahil magkakaiba yung products. Pipili nila po kayo and ask for your sponsor sa mga nag-invite after this presentation para makapagpili at makapag-decide po kayo. Now, once na nakapili na po kayo, para humalaman ninyo, this is a value-based entry, no membership fee actually. Wala kang binayarang membership fee kasi more than doon sa binigay mo ang value na nakukuha mo. Ang may mga membership fee katulad ng Landers, no, SNR, may binayaran ka, wala kang nakuha. So dito, pagka package, binayaran mo yung package na yun, binenta mo, ginamit mo, kumita ka pa, sobra-sobra pa sa nilabas mo. So wala pong membership. Parang nag-advance ka lang ng products, no? So that's it. Very important to know that, no?